Have you asked yourself what are your soul's deepest desires? Your soul or higher self knows what's best for you and the blueprint for your life here on earth. We all set intentions and goals based on our desires, right? Have you ever pondered on whether your desires are coming from your ego mind or from your higher mind, your higher self? Now, for example, are you working in your career or business only because you want to earn money or have a good living, or because it's something that is in line with your soul's purpose, your life purpose? Because it is meaningful, because you want to contribute and serve, and because it makes you light up. If you're working just to make a good living, ask yourself, the work I'm doing, is this my soul's deepest desire? And if the answer is no, you can find your life purpose and align your work accordingly. When you're marrying someone, are you marrying that person because your family and friends say you look good together and you come from so and so families with so and so status, etc.? Maybe because you think of it as an adjustment, or maybe you feel insecure and you think marriage will fix everything. Or are you marrying that person because you love each other unconditionally and you are aligned vibrationally and you want to grow together? If you are unsure about it, take your time to decide. Your intuition always knows the answer. If it is not a resounding yes, then the answer is no, at least for this time. So how do you differentiate between desires that come out of your soul or higher mind as against the desire that come out of your ego mind? Your ego mind's desires are more related to material possessions and things like status or position or external validation, societal concepts of success, personal gratification, immediate pleasures, etc. They come from your fight or flight or survival mind, mostly out of fear, perceived threats, and insecurities. Your soul's desires are based on unconditional love, compassion, connection, unity consciousness, harmony, meaning, purpose, sense of fulfillment, and well being for yourself and for others. Unconditional love also includes self love. If you are sacrificing your well being for the sake of others, then maybe you are into people pleasing and you need to use discernment. Your soul or higher self knows the answers, and that's why make it a practice to connect with your higher self daily and walk on the path guided by your higher self. Ultimately, when you raise your vibration to the highest and become the best version of yourself, you actually become your higher self. So, daily attunement and alignment will help you fulfill your soul's deepest desires.